Hey, what's up guys? It's Chris back here at Tru-Lite Gas Products, and today we're going a little bit different direction. We're talking about service, the other part of our business. We do full servicing on grills, gas lights, fireplaces, fire pits, you name it. If it has gas in it, typically we're working on it. If it's outdoors, we take care of it. So again, today we're going to talk though about grill cleaning and gas light cleaning, two of the things that we see big in the spring and the summertime. So today I brought a guest though because I'm not the professional at it as much as this guy is, but this is Ruben. He's our CEO, and he's also the #1 technician that we've ever had. He's trained all of our techs, and I'd just like to have him talk a little bit about what goes on and why it's so important to have your grill serviced, cleaned, and maintenance on a yearly basis. Same thing with the gas light. So take it away, Mr. Sanchez.
So everybody likes a good barbecue, everybody likes a good cook, but nobody likes to clean the grill. But it's very important because, as I know here at Tru-Lite, Chris is the chef. He does a lot of cooking, doesn't like cleaning.
Guilty.
So after about 5 or 6 cooks, he's down to, snapping the igniters, it won't light, right? So everybody hates when you have to get the old lighter out there and you let a little gas out and it poofs in your face. So it's very important to go ahead and make sure you maintain those burners. I always say that the burner is the heart of the grill. You want to make sure you keep those ports nice and clean. You want to make sure that you have optimum fire with good blue flame. A lot of people think that if it's yellow, it's burning really hot, but it's really burning improper. You want proper combustion on a burner, so you want to make sure that you have a nice blue flame going all the way across the burner so you have nice even heat. So it's very important to get down there once a year, clean those burners, and then on top of those burners, you'll have some kind of flavorizer bar or some kind of briquettes. Those have to be cleaned sometimes even more often because that's where the bulk of your grease deposits, your carbon buildup is going to happen. So it's very important for you to do that. And so if you want, we do it once a year, but even beyond that, even after each clean, you want to make sure that you're scraping your cooking grids with a good brush that doesn't bleed off bristles. You want to make sure you have a nice brush. I like to use even a little bit of water in there to get some steam cleaning going on. So when I'm brushing it, I'm adding a little bit of water on top of those hot cooking grids and just keeping that nice and clean. Leave it burning for about 10 minutes to let all that stuff burn off, fall to the bottom, and then periodically you can do your inner clean. At least, if you cook a lot every 90 days, but at least once a year you want to get it professionally maintained. So if you have any questions, call Chris or call me. We'll be more than happy to help you.
Now another thing that we talk about when we talk about servicing is gas lights. Now gas lights, a lot of people know about them, a lot of people don't have them, but the people who do have them know that this time of the season we're dealing with pollen, bird poop, all over our gas lights, and we're like, man, I don't want to do that. I got a lot of other stuff I'm spring cleaning right now. So who do we call? Well, you call the professionals here at Tru-Lite Gas Products. Talk about why we like to clean the gas lights, a little bit how we do it, and ways that we do to better the flame, to keep it nice and rich. What do we do whenever we do our lamp cleans?
So Chris, even whenever you go out, he's talking about all the natural things that happen to the outer part of the gas lamp. Yes, keeping it clean is real important, but the inside, that thing is burning 24/7. So you want to make sure that that burner tip gets taken off, the orifice is cleaned out, the tip is cleaned out on the tip, because you can get carbon clogs with gas lights. So it's real important for you to have that service at least once a year also, because again, there's a lot of weather, there's a lot of activity that's happening out there, and there's burning 24/7. So you want to make sure you clean that out. Sometimes even if you have copper lines, the copper has a reaction with the BP captan in the gas, and it causes a carbon buildup on the walls of the inside of that pipe. So periodically we have to blow those things out. We have to disconnect them on each side, get a high pressure compressor, and blow all that sediment out of the line so you have a nice, good flow of gas. Because what you want is a flicker flame, not a shooting torch on the sides breaking your glass. You want to make sure if you see flames shooting out of the sides of your burner on your gas light, get some attention to it, because it's probably going to end up breaking your glass. So it's important to do it internal and external, and we do the whole thing. We condition the metal, we clean the glass, we clean the burner, we clean the lines, and also aesthetically, if it's crooked or anything, sometimes with weather you get storms and the light will move a little bit. We want to make sure that we mount that thing nice and perfectly straight, because it is a curb appeal product. You want it to look awesome.
That's awesome. So with that said, what I'm hearing here, guys, is when you start seeing those symptoms, let's talk about gas grills, back to that. When you see symptoms of improper combustion, maybe your fire's going closer to the front, it's not got a bunch of hot spots in there, dirty, grease buildup, it's time to give Tru-Lite a call. Same thing with your gas lights. If you're noticing a shooting torch out the side or your flame keeps blowing out, low flame, man, it's time to pick up that phone and call Tru-Lite Gas Products, guys. 713-682-2053. Give us a call. We've got a full service team to help you guys out. And with that, we're out.